Maybe he's got some weight to him.
Huh?
Said maybe he's got some weight to him, eh?
Oh yeah. Woo! Holy shit, David!
Oh. Woke up. Oh, dude. Did you loosen your drag? Slow him down. Get him, don't let him get over in that snag. You got a 100-pound braid. Dude, that's a good fish. Try and bring him back to the left. Don't let him get over in those snags. Holy camole. Are you about to beat your PB right here? I tighten that up pretty good if you need to loosen it. I mean, you got a 100-pound braid, but you're probably running the 80-pound mono leader again, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so don't torch that too much. Have you loosened it?
Nuh-uh.
Oh my god.
I haven't touched it. Woo!
This might be a PB breaker right here. All right, get ready to turn her head. Bring her back. All right, I think you got her turned. Work her. Woo! Let's go! Good fish. All right, Tyler, man. Tell us what you got going on here.
86 inches. That's a PB, boys. Woo!
7'2".
There she goes.